You never see it coming. It happens all of a sudden, and when it finally hits you, it's too late. He just sat there in silence on his own private island. I wasn't ready for the storm about to break. Yesterday there was no trace of trouble. Now he's giving up more than I can take. He said, hold on tight, it's gonna be a heck of a night, especially when you hear what I've got to say. Hey. And when he said, I don't love you, the first tears broke through. Now it's coming down like a Tennessee rain. Nobody told me and nobody showed me what to do when the story turned out wrong. Oh, how hard does it mend it without the perfect ending? The one I always thought would come along. He has his own ideas of where this love was going. He wasn't leaving it up to the hands of fate. He just said, hold on tight, it's gonna be a heck of a night, especially when you hear what I've got to say. Hey. And when he said, I don't love you, the first tears broke through. Now it's coming down like a Tennessee rain. He just said, hold on tight, it's gonna be a heck of a night, especially when you hear what I've got to say. Hey. And when he said, I don't love you, the first tears broke through. Now it's coming down like a Tennessee rain. It's coming down harder than a Tennessee rain.